everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soap Stories, and today I'm talking about the final episodes of The River. The show has been renewed for season 6, which is set to start in February. And guys, uyazi ukuthi hleze kuzwa nedrama yangempela ku The River. Futhi ke izokwenza noLindiwe losing her loved one. It was first Buhle, followed by Tumi, and this season it's her husband Zweli, who I think his character will be killed off. Well guys, angikho ke lapha silapha kwi storylines ka Paulina that angered many people, leading to some even stopping watching the show. Befuna Angelina banje ukuthi untshontshe ingane ka Paulina after she lost her child. She was so cruel guys, watching Paulina crying and burying her child while she is holding Paulina's child because of indoda. Well guys, Paulina went through all the phases of grieving, and when she was accepting ukuthi umntanakhe washona qhamu uZodwa, identifying Lindane's resembles enganeni ka Angelina, and wavele wabona ukuthi no khona into eshaya amanzi lana. She then planted the seed in Paulina's mind obesedelile ngendaba yengane, kodwa ke uZodwa masesho waqala wabona ukuthi no man, lengane ephethe uAngelina kahle kahle iyona le yami, because noma ngiyiphethe noma ngincelisa yazini kune connection ekhona. Guys, they will escalate the matter to a Sangoma, and the Sangoma will confirm that Paulina's child is alive, and uzobatshela futhi ukuthi ke ingane ka Paulina was not like bekungasiyi mistake yasesibhedlela, but umntana Paulina wantshontshwa ngenhloso. Then guys, they will then go for a DNA test, which I think it will come positive, and we later learn ukuthi Paulina will open a case of kidnapping. So yeah guys, I hope everyone will be happy ngokuboshwa ka Angelina and Paulina taking her baby to KZN unless they kill all their characters. Anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ufuna kwenzekeni after uPaulina esetholile ukuthi ingane ka Angelina eyakhe. Must she forgive Angelina and move on, or must Angelina